So it's an absolutely beautiful day here. The rain's coming tonight around 7. So we gotta get all this raked up. This got kind of rained on. So it needs to dry for at least, a few hours before I can bale it. So we're gonna rake this around. Most of it's dry. It's just a little, moist on the insides. But the hay itself is dry now. So we're gonna rake it up quick with the air and ash. Got the forks on the other day. I did some welding there. They didn't turn out too bad. That's 70-18, that's 70-24. It turned out decent. Another 70-18 there. I know it's a little raised, but whatever. I didn't want to burn through, so I kind of turned it down a little bit. Because that was burnt. There was holes there from someone else welding before. So we're going to lower the rake here. I think today we're going to put 3 into 1, or probably just do 2s, because it is a little damp. So we're just going to lower these, set the wheel, and yeah, we'll get right now. The adjustments on this rake are pretty easy. You got some on the hitch there. You got crank here, just pretty, old-fashioned. And then you just have a pin here, and you just move it to, the desired. This wheel just kind of swivels like that. You drop your pin in when it wants to go in, and she's set like that. And the front wheel is a free moving wheel, so whatever direction this goes, that one will match it once you get up to speed. So yeah, so we're gonna be putting 2 into 1, because it's not like wet, but it's definitely it's nice and green but dry, and then so it's gonna make a nice bale. But I just don't want to get rained on, so we're gonna hurry this up. The Air National is a lot wider of a tractor than the Ford, so we did some more adjustments there. Had to beat the pin out, so we're gonna try it now, see if we can open it up the swath a bit more. professionals here. We're, you know, just baling up this stuff here. It's pretty thick. It does have the notorious New Holland issue here on the hinge. So we just always give it a little bit of a smack to get the gate to open fully. It's a, you know, common problem. A lot of people I know who have these have had it. Anyway, so yeah, that's what really happens. As you can see, it's a nice tight bale, nice and formed all the way up. So that's kind of the, you know, wrap on this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Holy shit. Like and subscribe if you want to see more baler videos, and yeah.